Now somebody gave you this trick. So I think I mentioned here 2 tricks, but I'll just quickly, summarize so that you get some idea. Suppose in bullying or peer pressure, what happens? There is a demand. Somebody says, do this. ऐसे ही तो करते हैं ना. सारे लोग गए, अरे बोले सब लोग कर रहे हैं क्या, चलो आज सिगरेट पीते हैं. हाँ, ऐसा होता है ग्रुप में. मेरे साथ भी हुआ है काफ़ी. व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल, सो ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 5-6 पीपल दे आर स्मोकिंग. जैसे तुम थोड़ा ना मरोगे, चलो तुम भी पियो, और नहीं पीते तो भाग जाओ ना. व्हाट टू डू? आप भागना चाहेंगे वहाँ से, भागना नहीं चाहते आप, क्योंकि आप उनके साथ रहना चाहते हैं. आपको वो 3 चीज़ें चाहिए, ठीक है ना. लेकिन आप पीना भी नहीं चाहते. तो क्या चुनेंगे आप उसमें से? दैट टाइम इफ़ यू आर गुड इनफ. ठीक है ना. क्या हो सकता है, सोच के देखो, क्या करेंगे आप एज ए डिप्लोमेट? पर उनको समझ में तो आए. कन्विंस तो आप करेंगे ना, पर क्या उसका उतना लेवल है उस ग्रुप का? दैट डिपेंड्स, राइट. बट इफ़ यू आर रियली गुड, इफ़ यू आर रियली स्मार्ट, यू कैन मैनेज इट. हाँ, तो इसमें पहला पॉइंट है स्लो डाउन. एक टैक्टिक होती है स्लो डाउन. स्लो डाउन की का मतलब क्या हुआ? सपोज कोई आदमी डिमांड कर रहा है, ये करो वो करो. आपने देखा होगा रैंसम मांगते हैं, फिरौती मांगते हैं. हाँ, डाकू मान सिंह ने पकड़ लिया किसी को, कहते अपने बच्चे को अगर छुड़ाना है तो 2 लाख लेके काली कोठी के पीछे आ जाना. ऐसे करते हैं ना, लेकिन पुलिस को खबर मत करना. तो ये क्या करते हैं, जो डिमांड तो हो रही है उसको डिले करने की कोशिश करते हैं. एकदम से तुरंत लेके नहीं पहुंच जाते, बोले मैं आ रहा हूँ, निकालो पैसे, चलो चलते हैं. ऐसे नहीं करते ना, क्या करते हैं, डिले करते हैं. तो अक्सर ये होता है, ये इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन नेचर, ह्यूमन साइकी. जब आप उसको डिले करते हैं तो उसमें थोड़ा सा वो आ जाता है, लैप्स आ जाता है, एंड दैट डिमांड इज नो लॉन्गर दैट स्ट्रांग. मेक सेंस? थोड़ा तो आप समझ सकते हैं ना कि ऐसा होता होगा, है ना. व्हेन यू आर नॉट इंस्टेंटली फुलफिलिंग द डिजायर, दैट मीन देयर कम्स ए लैप्स, and that lapse is a good loophole for you to think more for the next step. This is a part of a diplomatic skills. For example, अभी क्या चल रहा है जैसे ईरान में, I am giving you the real example. ईरान में ही चल रहा है कि वो because of the nuclear problems, they said like no business with Iran. Global business finished. Now India imports oil almost 80%, 90%. From Iran, it's cheaper. If we don't have oil, our economy is gone. So then what do? India says, India goes to USA like, the problem is like we are not that rich. If I don't get it, then who will make this, the factories run, and we can't send it, we can't sell it, proper people suffer. So when India behaves like this, USA, no. It's like, no. Huh? So somehow from both sides, so there is a tussle here. What is India doing? It's buying time. Right? It's a time buying. So that is what is slow down trick. Another trick is demanding trick. This is very interesting. And I think this is very relevant. I studied in middle school in those days, we used to have a book called Sahayak Vachan. Sahayak Vachan was like, how would you say, like, additional reading. Huh? Additional extra reading type सहायक वाचन. उसमें एक कहानी थी. That was exactly the same. What it says is a demanding trait. When somebody is demanding something, bully obviously demanding कि मुझे ये दे दो. There is some instances, say for example, like the girl goes with a new dress, and this bully group, the one girl says like, oh, I like your dress, can I borrow it? Now she cannot say no. So next day she takes and she gives it. The following day she comes in that dress, the girl who was bullying. She's like, I like it so much. Can I have it? I'll pay you. Now she's like, no, I don't need money. I needed the dress. That's why I bought it. She's like, no, but I'll pay you. Now she cannot say no, give it back, because she doesn't have the power. So she's like, okay, if you like it, but then she's like, don't worry, I will pay you. So she's like, okay, and then she does not pay. For next 2 months, 2 weeks, she's not paying. What can you do? See the situation here? Now, how would this demanding trick will work? When you are asking something from somebody, and if somebody asks something that is dear to you, for example, somebody comes to me I have exam. Can you help me in the exam with the cheating? Can you make slips for me? Can you say no? This guy is really, sturdy guy. He will thrash you. It happens. Sometimes, they say like, oh, who's smart? So you will do the work for me. Tomorrow is exam. I haven't prepared, so I'm trusting you. You say like, oh my God, what to do? How can you escape from that?
I would say कि या तो मुझे इसके बदले में कुछ दे दो
Oh, can you? Do you have it? Are you in a position to demand like that?
or I would don't help him or I would just give a wrong chance to him. We make a story. We make a story.
Of course, we'll make a story. Yeah, that's one thing. That is
Even
the expression.
I'm not prepared. Like
But he's not going to believe you. You are a first class student.
I'll complain to ma'am. And I would say that I. But you can't. You're not in that position at that time.
Think about this. Think about all the things. You're not in a position. You have to deal with this person. What can you say?
I can request him that I would help you, but I want you the dearest thing. I want that. Something like that.
But how? Give me an example. I'm just giving. I mean, this is not the only answer. I'm just giving you an idea. What can be done? If I'm there, what I would do? I say, yeah, no problem. I'll give you all the answers as much as I know. In the classroom, what I would do is like my pen is not working. Can you give me your pen? Right? It's possible that his pen also might not work. And even if it's working, I'll break it while writing.
Right.
Right? He said like, shh. I said,
Tulia.
टूट गया. Makes it. उस मौके पर can he feel that you're not helping or cooperating? No. Right?
It's like
It looks very genuine.
yeah.
But what you're doing is you're blocking it by asking for something that can cross it.
Okay.
Make sense? Do you think it's a practical approach?
Yeah.
It could happen.
I did this type of situation.
You did this kind of situation. See? It happens, huh?
Yeah.
So these are actually many, different ways through which you can counter these things. Now the problem is, that's a bigger problem here.